Well, the fingers are warmed up now.
Been working on this route since yesterday, and yeah, I think it's probably going to go down next go, or maybe go after. Pretty hard crux at the midpoint sort of thing, and then yeah, easy start, kind of on a little bit overhanging, really good holds, and then get into slab's real easy, make a clip in this little rooflet thing, and then you just got like little micro crimps all the way through the crux for about probably 4 meters of really hard climbing. Then you get a pretty good jug rest, and then the rest of the route is like a steady kind of 5-degree overhang or something all the way, and everything is still like a crimp. There's a cheeky little crux up the top as well, a real long lock off. It's like a 3-finger drag before you get another jug, and then yeah, going over the last bulge is yeah, a little bit as well. But yeah, absolutely stunning route. I didn't think it was going to be possible, but I think it actually comes out maybe about 26, I'm not too sure. But right now, because it's a hard crimpy route, I'm going to use my secret weapon. Haven't used it before. I'm going to see if it helps me on these crimps, because it says here, toughens fingertips for hard crimping. That's exactly what this line is all about. Oh yeah. Do have a bit of a muddy rail to clean up, but doesn't really get in the way.
Pepeng.
Fuck. second crack.
Perfect.
Oh, that was an absolutely sick route. Pretty stoked with that one. That one was going to be called Mr. Crimps for obvious reasons. Oh man, that's probably going to put me out of action for a few days for crimping. Better tape that guy up. Oh man, it's so meaty. So all the crimps on that one are probably about, I would say around between 10 to 20 mil. Probably most of them being on like the 12 to 15 mil side in that crux. Then after that you get like really nice kind of like jugs where you can find them, but they're still like crimp jugs. It's quite pumpy. So if you've got some good endurance, all good. That second crux is awesome. Just like long lock off to this 3-finger drag, reef it into a crimp and then over the top to the jug. Yeah, really nice, really nice. Cool, awesome. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is the last one I've got to do in this section. And then, two more. There's one other project that I put up, and then there's a project, Mr. Chips, around the corner. I'll let you guess why it's called Mr. Chips. I didn't bolt it. I have no idea who actually put that one up. But it's pretty cool, probably about 29, 30. And obviously there's blue as well, but that's absolutely impossible because it has chipped holes for some reason. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Time to use the repair cream. Can Daddy have his cream? Can I have it, please? Oh, thank you.